Morning, friends. It's Tracey and Violet from Nova Scotia Living. And we're just getting up. It's like 20 after 6. It's kind of chilly out this morning. Oh, I'm digging it. Yes, Randall. Good morning to you, too. He's right over there. He's excited to see you, Violet. He's got some news for me. Anyways, yeah, we're starting the day. Today is Tuesday. It's going to be Misha and Maze's second day at camp. Here comes a car. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. All right. The coast is clear. My husband and I are supposed to go down to, like this morning after I drop the kids off, I'm going to keep on trucking down to, oh, they're right there. Like, they're right there. There's a few of them. Hi, guys. Are you going to follow us on our walk? You can. Yeah. Anyways, we're going to go down to our lake property that we bought. We've been putting a road in slowly but surely. Oh, I'm still half asleep. And the road's not all the way in, but we can go in on the four-wheeler on a tree farming road, which is rough. But, like, you can't drive in there with a vehicle or anything like that. But anyways, we're going to go just check it out and see the progress and etc., etc. So that'll be nice to get out for a little bit for the morning. He'll drive down the truck with the four-wheeler on the back, and I'll just drive in with the kids and drop them off. Marquise and Kara and Mally and Messiah and Violet will still be at the house. Like, there's no way I could bring them all down there and go in and out on the four-wheeler. Like, it's a ways. It's quite a ways. So, anyways, yeah. I would love to take, well, I was going to say I'd love to take Violet. I'd love to take them all, but not until we can get a proper road in where we can lug them all in safely. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm feeling in a bit of a better mood now. I have a smidge of a headache. Probably going to take a Tylenol. And I started a new book just before I went to bed, so I only got like 20 pages in, but yeah. Anyways, I'll be back in a bit. I'm just waiting for her. I'll go back and I'll have a nice, great, big, giant, fat coffee. That'll make me feel good, too. Oh, yeah. She's jumping around and everything now. Violet, come on. She's just in a happy mood this morning. Yeah, Randall and his buds are down there, right in the road, waiting for us. You silly bird. I'd love to let her go, but it's just, I can't do that while we're in the road. What is that? I don't know. Something from the tree up there. All right, come on. Slow poke. There they go. I'm crossing over to our yard now. There, I can let you go now, Violet. All right, I have my coffee. Unloaded half of the dishwasher. Fed Violet. Rotated the laundry I put in last night. I'm going to put another load in before too long. Maybe I won't, because I won't be back in time to rotate it over before it starts stinking, probably. Because it'll get hot during the day, you know what I mean? So I'll do it when I get back. But, yeah, this is the book I did start. The Missing. Looks like a thriller, but I believe, like I really just started it. It has to do with some sort of a, kind of a plague zombie man-eating kind of thing. So, yeah. Alright, I'm done my coffee. Mazaria's got up. It's 20 after 7. I read a little more. I'm on chapter 3, so it's starting to get pretty hairy in there. Yes, it is, but yeah, I might go start waking the kids up here shortly. I'll just do a quick, I'll finish unloading the dishwasher and do a quick tidy of that and finish packing the kids' lunches, because I have it half packed, but the stuff that's in the fridge needs to go in their lunch kettles, and then I can wake the kids up and stuff. So yeah, yes. Oh, and I wanted to show you a painting Messiah brought down this morning. It's like a splatter painting, but I love there's blue there. Can you see that color blue? I love that color blue. Isn't that pretty? Yes. So I'm going to find a place I can hang that up down here. Exciting. Alright guys, it's 7:45. I'm going to go get the kids up. I loaded up the dishwasher. I haven't turned it on yet because I ended up turning the washing machine on. I'm thinking if I gauged it right, I can rotate it over before I go. Oh, I gotta shut this off. I took out butter chicken. I made June 9th. It's frozen solid. I'm gonna leave it out in this container just to defrost. It's all cooked. I would just need to make a pot of rice when I got home, and they'll have butter chicken for supper tonight. So that's awesome. I did have, let me turn you around. I did have chicken broccoli pie in the freezer, like a freezer meal, and chicken fettuccine alfredo and donair. But I thought I'll do this. I won't have to heat up the oven or anything. I just need to warm that up in a pan and make a pot of rice, and that'll be fine. That'll be fine. So anyways, yeah, I need to go get the kids. I'm waiting for the washer to fill up for the second time, and then I'll turn my dishwasher on. All right, we're in the car. It's 8:38 or something like that, and they replaced Kyle with a street light. So
are you half asleep?
Anyways, we gotta wait till this turns green apparently. I don't even see workers down there. I don't know what's going on here, you guys, but I'm gonna drop the kids and keep on trucking. So yeah. All right, I just dropped the kids off, and there's voting today for the municipal, like, county elections, or like provincial election. Is that it? Anyways, I got to vote today, and I forgot my card, but I can do it. It's probably open till like 7 o'clock tonight, but there's a voting station right here, so maybe when I come get the kids, I'll just remember to bring my card and all that stuff and do it. So let's head down to the lake. All right, I'm about halfway there, and there's another stop. So I think this guy's name is Harold. So Harold, come on now. Come on, flip her around. All right, I made it to our road. My husband's not here yet, but I did bring my book, so I can just sit here and wait. But yeah, it's looking more like a road, isn't it? I won't go all the way down because we'll probably go down on our four-wheeler, but yeah, exciting. Exciting. stretchy pants, and I have a pair of short shorts on, and my swim shoes. So yeah, we'll end up going down to the lake eventually, but I wanted to come check out the progress. Oh, this is better. This is better. All right, I'm walking a bit. My husband just had to clear a bit of a path to get through there. He's brought his chainsaw with him. So I said, I'll just walk up a bit. You get past that and we'll be good. But I can see the lake. And yeah. Whew. See, these are all like tree farming roads. And I couldn't bring you out when we were going the bulk of it because it's really quite something. Like, it's terrifying actually. You feel like you're about to fall over and all that kind of stuff. I don't know if he's coming down this way or going down that way. But he's coming. No, I didn't bring any towels. Ooh. Okay. I hear squirrels and stuff. And I can hear people across the lake talking. Can't make out what they're saying, but I can hear them. All right. Yeah, I made it. There's like a hill here. Jeepers creepers. All right. Whew. Yeah. It's only like 10:30 in the morning. You can see right to the bottom of the lake like it's clear water. It's a spring-fed lake. So, yeah. There's a rope right here. Oh. Okay. It's up to my knees here. And yeah, this is perfect. Like, did you guys measure this out the other day?
Yeah.
This is ours right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's kind of comes up to a point instead of a cove.
Yeah.
Which I like actually better.
Where's the point? There or over there? Oh, I need some of that bug spray. Oh, he just went under.
Did you have it?
I think so.
So, like,
like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me,
better off swimming with you guys. You're on my selfie stick.
I might walk.
Up on the land?
Yeah.
Okay. I just feel unstable on my feet because it's rocky. He's walking up on the land. As long as I don't drop you guys in there, I feel safer. I'm not over my head. I'm just like, I don't know, turtle walking. I tied my black shawl thing to a tree. Oh God. And the water is warm. It's cold when you stand up in the breeze. And God. Let me put you down. Oh, there's a big stick here. A big tree. There. I feel like I'm not going to fall down when I'm already down like this. So anyways, we're going to start heading back. I have to pick up Sarita's groceries for 1. It's like 11:30 now, so by the time we get out of the woods, it'll be a little after 12, and then I'll make my way back to town, which is about another half hour. And I need to stop for gas, so, you know, I'm timing it right, I think. Where is my thing? I have it tied to a tree. But there's lots of dragonflies out. They kept trying to land on my husband's head. Funny. They were leaving me right alone. I don't think they bite, though. Or sting. I don't know. But, oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. We were talking about where we're going to clear it and what, you know, a few years down the road, we're going to have it mapped out. Well, our style anyways. Oh, it's a tie. I see it. I see ya. And then we'll get out of the water. But I certainly got lots of steps. Even though it wasn't stepping, it was swimming. Lots of dog paddling. But, all right. I'm going to put you guys away so I can hold on to you good and tight. And then I'll get my shawl thing. All right, I'm up on land. I got the bug spray and my black wrap. So now I need to go find the four-wheeler. Ow, sheesh. I hear my husband like snapping branches as he walks. I'll just follow that. It's quite dense though, isn't it? I gotta take my shades up. All I see is red shorts. It's like a beacon. I just stopped here. Isn't that a neat picture? I gotta take a picture of that. Woodpecker. He was just pecking. There's one behind me too. Oh, he's gone now, but on the other side. The other one is right over there. We're just marking off our line, but wouldn't this be a great place to play hide and go seek? Reminds me of where the wild things are. All the little hidey holes where rabbits and stuff probably live. Look at that beast. That tree fell down. I want to go look at it. Ouch. Ooh, that sun is nice and warm though. It's just so interesting how trees fall over and what they look like, the stories they could tell. Oh, it's a big one too. All the way down there. Here's the other side. Oh my, all these trees are so tall. My husband's way down over there. Should be helping him. But I got distracted. Oh, my husband went down this way. That's another tree farming road. That's our line. It's not like our property line. We just want to see how far back from the lake to how far back we have it. I forget what it's supposed to be. But, oh yeah, this is glorious. Glorious. I'm still in my swimsuit. I'll change when I get back to the car. Well, actually, I didn't bring a shirt, so I'm just going to leave my swim top on. I'll put my wrap around me when I go into the pharmacy for Saritha. Go home, have a shower, make a pot of rice, and then go back into town to pick up the kids, unless my husband's going to pick them up, depending on what's going down. And while I'm in town, I'm going to vote. So, yeah. Lake's right there. Oh, there he is. All right, we made it back to the car. He's gonna take the four-wheeler over to the truck. It's like 1:45, which is fine. I have enough time to get back to get her stuff. And then I'll head home, and I can't wait to have a shower. But that was a blast. That was a blast. We had a good time. So I'm gonna listen to my audiobook on the way home. I'm listening to, it's a book about intuition and honing your intuition skills. All right, I got Saritha's prescription, groceries. Now I'm gonna get her prescriptions. I made it to Saritha's. Now, oh, she knows how to grocery shop. All right, guys, well, I've been busy. Oh, let me get these dirty clothes. All right, it seems like I've just been in the car all day, but I am going to get the kids from camp. My husband's not back yet. I do have my gal pal with me because she was giving me the stank eye when I got home. Let me tell you, she was not happy I left her home this morning. But I said, you can come with me when I get the kids. I brought my voting card so I can get that, you know, the whole two birds thing. I think they probably have a voting center downtown, like in my little village, probably at the fire hall tonight. But since I'm going right there, I just want to get it done and over with. And yeah, so I'll be back in a bit. All right, well, the kids are going to be late, which that's fine. They can't be helped. They're taking like the public transit. They were going rock climbing today, so that's awesome. But another hiccup, I went to try to vote here, and I can't vote here because it's not in my specific district. So that's a kick in the pants. I mean, I'll just run down the hill when I get home, like after I feed the kids supper. I did make a pot of rice when I got home from the lake. I did have a shower. I'm kicking myself I didn't bring my GD book. I can listen to my audiobook, but I forgot my earbuds, but I could listen to it. So now we're just sitting here waiting and waiting, but that's okay. I feel so much better after I had a shower though. I mean, the lake water isn't grimy or anything, but you just want to be fresh. So anyways, yeah, that's the lowdown. I think the kids are back now. So we'll go over and see. Violet's excited, so I thought I'll get her out while we go pick up the kids so she doesn't have a conniption fit. Oh, look at them. It's time to go home is what time it is. So I'm going to take them. Okay. Come on. Come on. Let's go, Violet. So was it a mountain that you were climbing? What was it?
It was in like a little hotel thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got to both of the tops.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Piece of cake, huh?
It was like 15.
Violet, come on.
It was like 15 feet.
Okay, get in,
It
Mace.
was like 15 feet.
15 feet. Jeepers creepers. Take your book bag off. All right, well, we're stopping. These guys are getting a frozen lemonade, and Violet's getting a cappuccino. No, not really. She'll get a plain donut, maybe. Maybe. If she's a good girl.
Keep breaking my mask.
We just missed the light. We just missed it. So we're the first. Dang it, Nathan. This is what this light is, because the guy here yesterday, Misha named him Nathan, so now it's the street light. His name's Nathan, the other one's Kyle. And Harold's down on the other way when we went down to the lake. Jeez. Alright guys, just got home. There's the rice. I didn't even fluff it, but here's that buttered chicken. I'm just going to put it in a pan and warm it up. And then I think I made this with either cut up chicken breast or chicken thighs. Violet, get out of the fridge. Would ya?
Oh my god.
I mean, really, I could scoop this out and heat it up in the microwave, but
Can you open both of these?
can you just hold your horses? Cadoodle hopper.
No.
He wants a cheese string. He's hungry. I said supper will be ready in 10 minutes. I'm just going to move it around. Let it warm up. And then I'll just scoop it over top of this rice. Mally's not here. She's gone with her auntie. So, this is basmati rice. 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Throw a blob of butter in it and any spices that you want. Put a lid on it, take it off the heat, and leave it 20 minutes. Only I doubled the recipe. Violet, get going. You're not getting anything up on the counter. Yeah, this is perfect. So, I just need to wait. I just need to wait
Smell
for
it.
this. Okay, here, I'll open your cheese strings.
Put your hands on it.
No, they're not. Here.
Delish. Delish. Delish.
This is not for you. Here. Don't let her get it. Don't let her get it. You just had a treat, so back off. Okay, skedaddle. Put your garbage where it goes. And yeah. So
Wait.
Yeah. Anyways, I'll be back when this starts warming up. And I'm going to read a little more in my book because I'm dying. I need to find out a little bit more. I'm only still at the beginning, but it's really got me gripped. So, yeah, I'll wait till this starts bubbling and just let it go for a few minutes, and then it'll be ready to rock. It's already starting to bubble, so it's already starting to sizzle. But I want the chicken to warm up too, not just the sauce. So, yeah, I'll be back momentarily. just gonna scoop it up in a bowl, and that'll be it. Saya, don't go nowhere. I'll get your stuff now.
What is smell goulash?
Don't smell goulash, honey. Watch out, that pan's hot, honey.
Food.
You want any soy sauce on it, Zaya?
Yes, soy sauce, definitely. Soy sauce is very poggers.
And there's Zaya's. All that sauce and soaked down in it and stuff. Ready to rock. There you go. You got your shirt on backwards, you know.
Do I?
Yes, you do.
Oh. Oh,
Amazing. You're gonna have some of this now?
Yeah, and then I'll mix it up.
no point on changing it.
And soy sauce! Soy sauce!
Okay, do you want some of the butter chicken stuff with the chicken?
Am I able to, if there's any left, I dips it.
Well, I don't know. There's still a lot of people that need to eat, Zai.
I know, but if there's any left.
Oh, is it?
Love ya.
Love ya.
I'm gonna shut the gate.
I'll give you a spoon and a fork, maybe, so you can work up that chicken. Bon appetit. Careful. Is Misha downstairs?
Is there any soy sauce?
Yes. Misha! Come here. Come here. Yeah, I got myself a coffee when I went through. It's 5:26 now, but it's been a busy day. And I needed it. Are you going to have some of the butter
Is it
chicken?
sweet?
No.
Okay.
No, it is not. Do you want any soy sauce on it?
No.
All right. Beat it, kid. And then Mally's not here. Marquise and Kara can come serve themselves, and that's it. I'm sure it's not keto, even though it tastes good, but I'm okay right now, honestly. I'm just gonna have my coffee. So I'm gonna go finish unloading my phone and see where we're at, and I'll be back. All right, everybody's gullet is filled. My husband's on his way back, and I'm gonna just spin down the hill to get that voting done, and we'll be good. Alright, I made it to the polling station. Just so you can see my little community. You don't often see the back sides of those. Like, you see me go to these stores sometimes, but yeah, they're all up on stilts. Isn't it pretty, pretty? So pretty, pretty. Alright guys, I did it. Done and over with. Martin will do it when he gets home. I have his card, so we're all good. Where I live, it's really hilly. You can see, like when we came down here, it's a steep hill, but there's a lot of houses that are up. Like it's very hilly. I think it's the Switzerland of Nova Scotia or Canada. I don't know. I forget now. But yeah, this is the water you often see on that other side of the bridge. Sometimes when I'm down going to the gas station or something. The tide's up now, but when the tide goes out, this is all like sandy bottom or whatever. It's all salt water. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, that's done. I think I'm gonna end the video now so I can go upstairs and finish editing this video and get it up and start fresh again tomorrow. I'm sorry I have not got a Tea Time book chat up for those who follow me on Tea Time with Tracey and Violet. It's just a crazy day today, but I do plan on doing one tomorrow. I have to. I got to. So, yeah, we had a blast. It was so much fun spending time together. We often forget to do that. It's not that we forget, we just don't. I suppose we just don't make the time. That's what it is when it comes down to it. We don't make the time to actually do things together, so we need to do that more often. And it was fun. Just getting out in nature a bit. I can't wait for the kids to be able to go there. Really. Really. Once that road is complete, we can go. We're probably not going to have a cleared patch like to go camping like we thought, but that's okay. But just to go there and enjoy the elements, you know. So many things to do and explore and create imagination, you know, that sort of thing. So anyways, I want to say peace, love, and happiness today and every single day. Please like, share, and subscribe if you so choose, but if not, that's okay too. I still love you. I still want all the happiness in the world for each and every one of you out there. I certainly do. I really, really honest and truly do. Yes, I do. So yeah, today I'm much better mood, much better spirits. All your thoughts and prayers helped. My higher self helped. Mother Nature helped. It's great. It's grand. It's fantabulous. Yes. So with that, I'm going to say have a good night or have a good morning, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Boink.